Please remove your accessories like earrings, necklace, bowlers, and other accessories haven't mentioned to avoid technical errors. Thank you very much. Bolaño laban ni Mr. Samuel. Jersey number 1, Rosales. No good. Number 28. Ball. Mr. Ken Lee, the legend. Wheel. Number 2, Mr. Makal, pass to the legend. Elevates to the range, half step, acrobatic pass to Makal. No good. Samuel with a pullback, no good again. Makal. Castillon, quick research to Samuel. So dropping off the left, by the way. That's TV. Mr. Adok elevates to the mid-range. Quick release to Mr. Bolaño. Bolaño, binigyan ng bola. Bago tinira. No good. Rosales. Bolaño. 2 steps behind. That's good. Connect for 2 points, Mr. Bolaño. Mr. Pagala. Mano TV. Elevates. Stolen. Here's a call for a foul. Foul spotted jersey number 26, Mr. Adok, illegal use of hands. Mr. Adok, a first personal foul and a first name foul. Pagala. Pass Mr. Castillon. Switches. Pagala. Corner triple. Short. Rebound jersey number 28. Elevates. Number 28, slow traffic. Fakes. Great use of space. No good. Rebound. Makal quickly, Samuel, Makal, short. Mr. Bolaño. Number 1, Mr. Rosales. Elevates, got it by Yuri Makal. Intercept by Mr. Kenley, the legend. Quickly to the baseline. Luloy Mugo. Lace it up and in, black for 2 points. Mr. Adok. Got it, Mr. Kenley, the legend. Number 25, Bolaño. Steps inside, nearly. Rosales, keep block. Mr. Pagala, intercepting the jersey number 28. Elevates to the mid-range, accepting. Going for 2 points off the backs. Mr. Pagala. Baseball pass. Back to Mr. Pagala. Shake and bake. Here's a call. Kickball, violation. Number 26, Adok. Launches for 3, no good. Mugo, baseball pass. Yuri Makal attacking to the rim, no good. Number 28, pass Mr. Rosales. Rosales nearly elevates. Sweet spot, that's good. Correct for 2 points. And this is Mr. Rosales. Baseball player, hindi siya maikson. Number 2, Makal, stolen Mr. Rosales. Sarangay, promised land. Sitio, promised land, rather. Number 28, dance pass to Mr. Adok. Adok, may tangan ng bola. From Barangay Santa Cruz. Bolaño, no hesitation, that's good. Good for 3 points, Mr. Bolaño. Number 2, Mr. Yuri Makal, Profit. Got it, jersey number 29 with the double team. Quick reach, Mr. Mugo. Kenley, the save, the legend for 3. No good. Rebound, Mr. Rosales. Rosales got it by the legend, between the legs. Intercept by Mr. Makal. Makal. Got it about 2 good. Flash pass, Yuri Mugo creating some space. Jersey number 22, first personal foul. And a second team fouls. One point away, jersey number 11. No good. Rebound jersey number 28. Jersey number 28 slowly elevates to the mid-range. Pass to the downtown. Bolaño fakes a pass to drop shot, no good. Ball out of bounds, ball turned over. creating some space. Lace it up and one. Foul spotted. Jersey number 1, illegal use of hands. Mr. Mugo had a chance to recover the 1-point play. First personal foul and a 13 fouls. 1 point connect, Mr. Mugo. Mr. Adok elevates. No hesitation, marked away, too strong. Rebound Mr. Rosales, sweet spot, that's good. Right for 2 points. Sabuelo, the former MVP. Panayo's Cup 2023. Sabuelo, unbeaten and one off the glass. Fouls, a first personal foul and 1 penalty, MDRMO. No good. Rebound Mr. Rosales. Yatag sa kamao. Mr. Adok. Release. Number 28 crosses it over. Stolen. Save. Race it up. Top shot. Number 28 with an offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Napakalakas. Maktal. And service play. What a pass! The legend, Mr. Kenley Castillon. Tagaktak ang pangwaiting. Number 28, creating some space. Passes to Rosales, got to Mr. Kenley. Elevates to the mid-range. Rosales, sweet spot. Rebound number 28. Step back, tap shot, no good. Mr. Mugo creates Mr. Pagara. Pagara nearly elevates. Acrobatic pass, Sabuelo. Suwag ka pa! Basket count, pass, ball in jersey number 28. Illegal use of hands. On penalty situation and first personal foul. 1 point connect para sa ating former MVP. Number 28 elevates nearly. Pass to Mr. Bulanio rather than Mactan. Switching, no hesitation. Short. Rebound Mr. Mugo. Pass to Mr. Pagara. Accepting the mismatch. Pagara, no hesitation. And contested three. And then MDRMO, legend, crosses it over, goes to the right side, creating some space. Number 29, catch and shoot, short. Rebound Mr. Sabuelo. Here's Mr. Mugo, close to goals. Pagara, acrobatic pass. Finish by the legend, Mr. Kenley Castillon. Tagaktak ang ikadulong holiday. Ako ang muna mag-right react niya. Number 28, creating some space, no hesitation. Launches to the deep three, pass away. Baseball pass, Mr. Pagara. Release, Mactan, stolen, on traffic. Acrobatic shot, no good. Rebound just number 1, Mr. Rosales. Rosales accepting the mismatch na iwan ang dalawang kalaban. 5 laban sa 3, fade away, no good. Radok, step back triple, labay tae, connect for 3 points. Stepping in the right lane. Jersey number 28, inbound, looking for thick, essential pass, gorgeous play. Rosales, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound Mr. MVP, quick release to Mr. MVP as well. Pagara, MVP to MVP connection, no good. Mr. Bulanio, from Barangay Castillo. Intercept again, Mr. Castillon. Quick release, what an Summers ball, Mr. Kenley. Rosales, release Mr. Radok. Radok. Behind the back pass, jersey number 28, Abansenia crosses it over. Nawala si Kenley. Number 28, Patayan Butige. Pagara, just pass, Mr. Castillon with a finish. Wala pa rin. Number 28, intercepted, elevates, accepting a mismatch. Rosales, deep three, too slow. Mugo, baseball pass. Mactal with a match. Mactal with a finish off the glass. Jersey number 1, Mr. Rosales. Baseball pass. Number 29, elevates. Pass to the baseline. Catch and shoot. Bulanio. And selfish play, catch and shoot, no good again. Rebounds to Sabuelo. Sabuelo to Mactal. Mactal behind the back pass, Mr. Sabuelo. Mr. Mugo. Pagala with a finish, going for 2 points. 15 seconds remaining. 11 seconds remaining. There's some miscommunication. 8 seconds remaining. Ball out of bounds. Baseball pass, Mr. Mugo. Catches. Stolen. And the same ball, by the way. Castillon to the inbound. Looking for a gorgeous pass. Beautiful pass. Pagala and contested triple. 1 dribble before the shot. That's good. Bolaño. Mr. Pereira, bounce pass to Mr. Archie Hardin. Archie, kapapasok lang, pass na baseline, Kababa, the gold medalist. Pass to Mr. Neri, Brian. Neri to Mr. Archie, on traffic. Archie Neri, off balance, Kababa, smiling work. No good. Rebound to Bolaño. Number 22, Bolaño attacking to the rim, wakes up and in. Mr. Archie Hardin. Pasok Sir Pereira. Kani si Pereira, MVP niya po rin sa 2020. Nelly for 3. Masyado malakas and a good catch with a good back to Sir Pereira. Number 28. Kalmado lang. Got it with the double team. Looking for an open man. Rosales attacking the mid-range. Fade away shot. Too strong. Nelly with the rebound, intercepted by Bolaño. Bolaño creating some space, fadeaway shot. Elevates, teardrop, top shot, no good. Rebound Mr. Signapan and Andy. Intercepted by Mr. 29. Mr. Hardin ang may tanga ng bola. Jersey number 2, Mr. Archie Hardin. Pass to Mr. Kababa. Kababa. Pereira creating some space. Signapan with a reverse square for 2 points para sa ating veterano. Mr. Rosales. Taking for a beautiful play. Bolaño. Crosses it over. Top shot. Square for 2 points. What a shot. Jersey number 2, Mr. Hardin. Chest passes to Pereira. Got by Bolaño. Turn around. Nedulas. Stolen. Signapan with a save. Signapan, patay ang butingi. Pereira. Looking for an open man. Got it by the young one. Bolaño. Fakes the triple. Fakes. Fade away shot. That's good. Right for 2 points, Mr. Bolaño. Number 22, Mr. Archie Hardin. That's the mid-range. That's the Mr. Signapan. Fake and pump, too strong. And you want jersey number 28. Number 28, attacking to the rim. We got it with the double team. On traffic. Wild shot. Quick release and bounce pass to Mr. Rosales. Catch and shoot, no good. Rebound Mr. Neri. Quick release Mr. Hardin. Hardin nearly elevates. Zigzag play. Quick release. Kababa, sweet spot. That's good. Color black. Pass over orange, Mr. Rosales. Screen. Archie stolen. Rosales. Number 29. Post to post. Archie Hardin. Pass Mr. Kababa. The gold medalist of Alco. Collect for 2 points off the glass. Number 28. Crosses it over. Gisulo Gana. Number 28. Driver to number 3. Crosses it over. Archie stolen. Got it with the double team, by the way. Bolaño, intercepted. Number 28, Rosales for 30. No good. Rebound Mr. Kababa. Kababa, shake and bake. Advancing, quick release, Neri, Brian, stolen. Brian with a save. Passing to Pereira, got it with the young one. Pereira, turn around. Mr. Pereira. 2 in a row, Mr. Philip. Mr. Rado, looking for an open man. Quick release to the young one. Number 3, elevates. Supal Pala Minabo. Mr. Ramadan. Quick release to Mr. Archie Hardin. Dance fast. Miller, nice speed inside. Pahaba. Correct for 2 points. What a look. Number 26, Mr. Rado. Number 11. Passing Sir Bulaño. Bulaño creating some space. Got it in Ramadan. Fade away shot. Deeply elevates. Pass to the baseline. Coast to coast. Catch and shoot. Correct for 2 points. Mr. Brian Mary. Rado quick release Mr. Bulaño. Got it by Archie. Bulaño. Mr. Ferrer, passes to Hardy. Hardy elevates, passes Mr. Saison. Ferrer, sweet spot, that's good. Correct for 2 points and backs it home. Number 26, Mr. Rado. Nearly elevates. Switches. Bulaño creating some space. There's number 2, Mr. Hardy. Slowly elevates. Got it to the young one. Number 26, intercepted. Mr. Rado, quick release. Number 29. Number 29, creating some space. Elevates, back to the baseline. 28, catch and shoot. That's good, nothing but net. 15 na lang ang kalamanan ng Titos Escobar. Lamadan, pass to Mr. Neri. Brian, creating some space to throw coats. Intercepted by Mr. Rado. Pass to the young one. Stolen. Save by jersey number 28. Number 28, acrobatic shot. No good. Number 29 with a boot back. Pasado malakas. Number 28, correct for 2 points using the window. Hardin looking for the scoreboard. Got it by Gigan. Pass to the baseline. Saison. No good. Ferrer. Saison again. Mix it up in. Number 29. Number 29. Looking for his central pass. Pass to Mr. Avancenia. Got it by Hardin. Crosses it over between the legs. Creating some space. Drop step. Inasa, no good. Ball turnover. Wala yung mga singit-singit sa fans. Murang bingo ang atong dula. Ano nangyari sa Pinas? Arti. Kaso sa Ferrer. Lamadan for 3. Wala. Rebound number 29. The flash. Lace it off. Puts it in. But I got 2 points. Number 12. Saison. Saison. Siya pa rin. Ferrer takes the dribble. Goes inside. Acrobatic shot. What a shot. And that's a spot by Gigan. Number 29. Nearly elevates to the corner. Crosses it over to the mid-range. Gigan. Wala. Number 29. Wala pa rin. Gigan to the young one. Lamadan. Second attempt for 3. In and out. Rebound to Avancenia, advancing as well. Avancenia to the mid-range, attacking the basket off the glass, scoring for 2 points, and knocks it down. Mr. Archie, Hardin, Ferrer, Rado, crosses it over, off balance. Lamadan, pass play, lays it off, scoring for 2 points with a pick and roll play. Avancenia looking for the scoreboard, advancing, got it by Hardin, crosses it over, stolen, save. Lamadan, 11 seconds shot clock. Avancenia. Intercepted by Mr. Labadan. Labadan, TV, papak goal. Wala. Ibang sa laro. Shake and bake. Pass to Mr. Bulanyo. Bulanyo, fakes. Teardrop shot. Too strong. Bulanyo with an offensive rebound off the glass. Saison. Pagara, turnaround jumper. Connected 2 points. Lupa kayo mga assist play. Number 28, Avancenia galing sa Pagara. Bulanyo, switching in, elevates. 15 range, no good. Rebound Mr. MVP. Pass to Mr. MVP as well. Pagara, pinabanda. Intercepted by Mr. Bulanyo. Bulanyo swinging. Bulanyo, uncontested, zigzag play, jump shot, no good. Sabuelo, intercepted by Mr. Rosales. Rosales, Yatex Kamao, whatever for 2 points. Mr. Pagara. Sabuelo, Paborito, no good. Rebound Mr. Avancenia. Avancenia. Rosales, for 3. Bingo! Whatever 3 points, Mr. Rosales. Sampu na lang po ang kalanangan mga kaibigan. Sabuelo. Whatever 2 points, we will reverse.
Hi.
Ano? Elevates, nakamagas, Ricky Maro. Wala. Bulanyo, between the legs, crosses it over on traffic. Avancenia, 4-3. Wala. Sabuelo, to Mr. Pagara. Pagara, binomba pa sa ere. Mactal, with a good save. Mactal, Saison. Lace it up, no good. Rebound Mr. Rado. Rado. Rado, kumila ng press. Yes, forever 3 points, Mr. Rado. Mr. Castillo, the legend, elevates the deep range. Half step. Intercepted by Mr. Avancenia. Avancenia, tuloy-tuloy ang ligaya. No good. Rebound the small one. Number 3. Intercepted by Mr. Mactal. Mactal, Saison. Quick release to Mr. Pagara. Pagara, pumila ng press. Yes, sir. For 3 points, Mr. Pagara. Mr. Rado. Ipasa sa naka ito. Nice rejection kay Mr. Pagara. Substitution. Injuries number 29. Injuries ng Mugot. Officer Saison. Bulanyo. Pass to number 29. Number 29 nearly elevates. Rosales scoring for 2 points. Mactal. Pagara. Tumira ng 3. Pingis. Ball out of bounds. Same ball. 12 seconds shot clock. Pagara. Nice speed inside. No good. Mr. Rado. Pinag-agawa ng dalawang mama. Pass Mr. Pagara. Shake and bake. Accepting the mismatch. Right for 2 points with an easy shot. Bulanyo. Jersey number 1. Rosales. Rado. Umira ng 3. Ines, pero siya. Correct for 3 points off the glass. Pagara, shake and bake. Pagara, nakatakas. Correct for 2 points off the glass. Mr. Rado, running with the legend. Rado, okay. Patay ang laro ko. Pagara, accepting the mismatch. Pagara to Mr. Kelly Castillon. Whatever 2 points. Time out ball, MDR. Rado, pass to Mr. Avancenia. Avancenia looking for the shot clock. May pinaplano. Avancenia deeply elevates. Bulaño to the downtown. Puts it in. Baseball pass, Mr. Mugo. Tayo sa kanyang paganda kay Kabarker po. Pagana for 3. No good. Rima number 26, Mr. Rado. On traffic. Avancenia. Got it in the legend. Soler, pinabayaan lang. Avancenia turn around, looking for the scoreboard. And a good defense. Avancenia lays it up and in for every 2 points and backs it home. Mactal nearly elevates. Mugo challenging. Off balance. Kenny Castillon. Quick release. Mactal. Shot clock by 8. Mactal. Sweet spot. No good. Rebound to MVP. Sabuero. Shot clock reset. Kenny. Wala. Ipasa sa kontra. Number 29. Smiling while passing. Rado. White tao sa kaya. Correct for 2 points.
Pagawas na lang sa Kinley. Amo ka sa Kinley.
Baseball pass. Yata ka Mugot. Mugot. Nice fake and pass. Nice speed inside. Jersey number 1. Quick release. Rado. Sweet spot. Wala. Rosales with a putback. Move again. Mr. Pagana accepting a mismatch. Zigzag play. Lace it up and in.
Sa manawala na.
Rado.
Uy.
Elsa de Mr. Pagana. Pagana fakes. Mactal. For 3. Bingo. And that shot is brought to us by Pampang's Rental. Mr. Rosales. Looking for an open man. Number 29. No good. Number 29. Rosales. Sweet spot. That's good. Mr. Kenny Castillon. Napapagpik to speak ko sa bola. Wheel. Pagana. Sabuero. Lace it up in and 1. Basket down. Mouse Potter number 29. And he gets defense. Again, rebound sa Avancenia. Number 28, Avancenia. Back to the downtown. Unselfish play. Flash away. That's good. Mr. Rosales at a double digit this night. Mr. Pagana consuming the time between the legs. Pagana switches to mid-range. Rosales, shake and bait, crosses it over. Rosales passes to Bolaño. Makes it up for. Ball out of bounds. Ball turned over as well. 17 second shot clock. 17 seconds time remaining, brother. Sabuero, sweet spot, easy. Mr. Rado. Rado, deep 3. Wala. Pagana, passes to Ferrer. Back again to Mr. Pagana. Kababat, sweet spot. No good. Rebound to Rosales. Rosales, turn around. Got him in Mr. Kababat, no traffic. Number 29, attacking the basket, stolen. Pierre, baseball pass. Kababat, the gold medalist, still good. Rebound jersey number 28, Avancenia. Jamal Murray sequence. Rosales, sweet spot. No good. Mr. Pagana. Baseball pass. LSW Avancenia. Mr. Abansenia. Abansenia asking for screen, by the way. Elway to the mid-range, Takatakas. Bawal yun, mga kaibigan. Number 14, Samuelo. Number 11, quick release, Mr. Maktal. Kawhi Leonard. Ball out of bounds. Number 28. Abansenia asking for the screen. Crosses it over. Stolen. Abansenia with a save. Rosales. Paborito. No good. Rebound number 3. Number 3. May tinawagan ng foul. Foul spotted jersey number 1. Mr. Kamama, the second personal foul and a third team fouls. Mr. Bolaño to the inbound, quick release. Abansenia for 3. Wala. Rebound Mr. Sabuelo, quick release Mr. Pagara. Pagara to mid-range. Kababa, binurta pa sa ere. And one. Basket count, foul spotted jersey number 3. Illegal use of hands. Second personal fouls and a first team foul. One point correct para sa ating gold medalist. Jersey number 28, deeply elevates between the legs. Naiwan si Mr. Pagano with a quick screen. Bolaño fakes the dribble, goes inside. They still in and one. Basket count. Foul spotted jersey number 11, illegal use of hands. Mr. Mundo. First personal foul and warning for penalty. One point connect. Mr. Pagara. Pagara. Sabuelo. Turnaround jumper. Connect for 2 points. Abansenia. Abansenia got it with Mr. Pagara. Rosales creating some space. Pass to the corner. Still dropping. Number 3, stolen. Rosales, Paborito. That's good, but after 3 points, Mr. Rosales. Maktal to Mr. Pagara, looking for the scoreboard. Pagara, pass to the mid-range. Pagara with a save. Pagara with a pick. Pagara off the glass with a finish. Abansenia, kalmado lang. Kahit lamang kalaban. Abansenia, between the legs, behind the back again. Goes to the mid-range. On top pick. Lays it up for good. Baseball pass. Pagara with a save. Maktal. Wait for 2 points. Timeout call. MDRMO. And our official running score, 84. That's Mr. Bolaño. Bolaño creating some space. Good challenge. Mr. Pagara. Stolen. Ball turnover. Basta, asa matapos ka down. Mr. Pagana from Mano TV, page, elevates, behind the back pass, quick release, Samuel with a save. And that move is brought to us by Power Move from D-Road. Mr. Lado elevates to the corner, looking for an open man, got it with Mr. Pagana. Asking for a big screen. Shot clock now by 12, stolen. A save ball, 11 seconds. Mr. Bolaño, side inbound, quick release, Mr. Adok, Pagara. Quick release, Rosales with an elevator screen, connect for 3 points. Grabe yung na screen na doon, nagduwa ko. Now, gold medalist, no good. Jersey number 29. Quick release, Mr. Bolaño. Bolaño, creating some space, top shot. Mr. Mugo, quick release, Edison with number 29. Mr. Rado. Rado, deep three. Short. Mugo. Mr. Pagana. And for 2 points. Kababa, quick release, Mr. Pagana. Paul George. Went for 3 points. Number 26, Mr. Ano, by Mr. Pagana. Number 3, Elvis Rosales. For 3, no good. Rebound number 3, shot clock reset. Rosales to the mid-range. Rebound sa Bolaño. Bolaño, pinabayaan na lang. Wala pa rin mga kaibigan. Ano nangyari sa Pinas? Number 2, Kababa. And service play, goes to goals, triple team, Sabuero the MVP with a quick finish. Rosales, baseball pass, number 29. Bagay for 3. Wala. Lima, Mr. Mugo. Mugo to Mr. Sabuero. Mr. Pagana. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds, crosses over. Pagana, acrobatic shot. No good. Sabuero. Quick finish off the glass. Bolaño. 27-foot range. Sir Kelly the legend. Signapan, Andy for 3. No good. Mr. Rado. 62 seconds remaining. Rado.